Hi foodies, I'm glad you're back. So in my previous videos, we went grocery shopping. So on today's menu, we'll be cooking chicken chop suey and rice. This is going to be a quick video, so grab your pots and pans and let's get into it. Here, I've already cleaned and washed my chicken. I've cut them up in small pieces. Add a few drops of oil. This helps to adhere the seasoning to the chicken. Here I'm adding 4 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, 4 tablespoons of onion powder, 4 tablespoons of garlic powder, and 2 drops of browning. Now be sure not to use too many because in this video I think I've used a bit too much, so now the meat is going to be a little bit darker than it should. But we can work with this. Wash and clean your pak chow. I wash my pak chow in vinegar and salt water. This helps to get rid of the dirt underneath. So thoroughly wash them vegetables chow. Now to a cutting board, chop your vegetables. So after cutting, dicing my carrot, tomato, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, just a little, thyme, garlic. So I'm going to drop a list of the ingredients in my description box with all the measurements. And don't forget your soy sauce. First, I'm going to fry the chicken. So to a fry pan, add some oil, and now add your meat. We're going to let these fry for about 10 to 15 minutes on both sides. Now we're going to go next to sauteing our vegetables. Now to a pot, which is my wok. You guys remember this from my previous video. Let's see how it works. I'm going to add the seasoning and the oil, and I'm just going to saute this for a minute. So after about 3 minutes of sauteing or seasoning, let's go ahead and add our pak chow. So go ahead and stir it evenly. Let the flavors combine. Start to smell real good up in here. So you could just go ahead and add more seasoning to taste. The same season that we had before in the meat. Garlic powder. Now we'll go ahead and throw in the meat. A little bit darker than it should be, but it will work. Now for our secret ingredients, that's a soy sauce, which makes everything come together most absolutely beautiful. Guys, look at this. This is the healthy way to go. Chicken chop suey. This is our end result. This is what it looks like. The wok did a great job. So I know I'll be using this pan a little bit more when I'm cooking, especially my vegetables. So now we're going to top this off with the white rice and serve. And I can't wait to eat, guys. I'm absolutely starving right now. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you watched till the end. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment down below, share, and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye.